driving me can't love me without do you ransom. All I gotta do so that I know is that ransom. Driving me can't love me without do you ransom. All I gotta do so that I know is that ransom. Driving me can't love me without do you ransom. All I gotta do so that I know is that ransom. Driving me can't love me without do you ransom. All I gotta do so that I know is that.
Texas is officially a popsicle. It has turned into one of those Flintstones creamsicle push pops, and it's really fun. I'm kidding.
It sucks.
And I'm really worried about all my plants, and I'm worried about all my friends. And I hope y'all are okay out there. I know a lot of people are losing power. I still have power, so but I'm not really optimistic that I'm gonna continue to have power and electricity. So before that happens, I'm gonna attempt to make the Tik Tok Feta pasta recipe.
Boom! Wait!
I've been trying to make it for a week now, and I've been delaying it because I've been busy working on some other stuff. But right now is the perfect time. I just brought in all my plants and I fed them all, and I'm having a lot of fun having them inside. I should bring them in more often. This is actually really fun. It's fun to see them all inside and hanging out together. It's like a vacation for them, I think. So I think I'm gonna do this more often. Maybe like on Sundays I'll bring them in for a couple hours, and you know, we can all talk and catch up and see how everyone is doing. So before I run out of electricity though, let's make the pasta. So let's do it. We're going to attempt to make this vegan, so we are using a vegan feta and a rigatoni made with chickpeas, and that's basil, some parsley, some lemon, some garlic, some habanero, and sundried tomatoes. And I know people aren't really using these to make this recipe, but we're going to try to make it our own and try to make it better. And we're going to use a whole bunch of different colors of tomatoes because it's going to make the sauce look and taste better. I mean, hello. Do not forget to put olive oil on here, and while I've been doing this, I had the oven preheated to 400 degrees and put it in there. I think I had this in here for maybe 5 minutes, and you don't want this to overcook, so take it out. It's race against the clock to make our pasta before the power goes out and we're in the dark. And we're almost there. I already have the pasta done. It's cooling, and I ran it under some cold water so that it doesn't keep cooking while we wait for the tomatoes and the feta to be done. And I just checked it. It might need maybe another 10 or 15 minutes. I think that's one of those things where you just kind of keep an eye on it, and when it looks like it's ready to be taken out, then you rescue it. And also, if you're interested in where I got this blue jacket, it's not Gucci. It is thrifted, and you can see in my last video where I bought it. And I also have a dance party. So I think you all liked that video. I got some really fun comments. Thank you for everyone who was there. I'm gonna do another one in 2 weeks. So, alright, let's see how the tomatoes are doing. I don't want to over-explain it, guys. Y'all know what you're doing here. Y'all are really smart. So I'm just going to put in the basil, some lemon, a little bit of extra garlic. You put in whatever you like here. And then we're going to smash it up until it's so nice and silky. And then you're going to put in your pasta. Honestly, this looks bomb. I think I did a really good job. Like, this feta really turned to like a creamy consistency. And wow. Okay. The sun-dried tomato makes a difference. I don't know if you saw, we put a little bit of habanero in there. You can feel it. Yo, this seriously kicks.
I need bread.
And this was so easy to make. It was so freaking quick. This does not suck. If the lights get shut off now, so be it. I'm okay. I'm happy. Alright, I gotta go.